If you need to automate entry of data from hand-filled forms into a database or spreadsheet, you might like to consider Fimple. Fimple makes the data entry of hand-filled forms fast and simple. If you have more than 10 forms you need to load into a database or spreadsheet, then Fimple will save you time. Hi, my name's Victor, and in this video I'll give you a quick introduction to Fimple. We'll assume someone has already set up Fimple for the type of form you're going to use. Setting up forms is easy. Take a look at the other videos to find out how it's done. You can see here that somebody's already set up the dog form. So if we've got more dog forms to load up, we've got a batch of dog forms ready to go, then we can just go into here. If you don't know how to set up or how to get your files ready to go, then take a look at the instructions which are here. Start here, and that'll tell you how you scan your files how you scan your forms into a file suitable for loading into Fimple. It is easy. There's not too many things you need to set, but there are some detailed instructions here if you want to look at those. Otherwise, just make a PDF file of your forms, and then go to your form and choose the upload option. We'll give our batch group a name, so we don't have to, but in this case we will. We'll call it demo. It's part of our demo series, and this particular one, it's for a form where we already have an existing form. So obviously you would call yours differently, but we'll just call those just to show that those features can be used. They aren't completely optional though. Then you choose your files. So I've already scanned some of my files using the dog forms and using the instructions that were in that first option where it says start here, and I'll just choose this one. So I just double click on that and you'll see that it'll load them here into the right hand side of the screen. Now there's a total of 8 pages in this particular example. You can see them here, and once I'm happy that they're there, I can press the submit button. They'll be loaded up into Fimple. If they're in the wrong order, I can actually drag them using this screen from one place to another to get the order right. And if perhaps we've got an attachment on one of these form pages, and so this page here is actually an attachment to the last page, I could just click on the A button and that would then make it an attachment instead of the first page of the next form. Anyhow, so once you've got that right, just press submit, and that will then load those form pages into Fimple and read the data fields. So as soon as it's done that, then you'll be ready to use the data straight away. So this will load up quite quickly. Once it's done that, we'll go straight to the download page and take that data and put it into a spreadsheet so that you can use it in your reports. So just ready to go here. Let's have a look now. Okay. So we could go into here if we want to and look at each of the forms. So you can see here's our 4 two-page forms, and this will show us in a side-by-side screen what the values of the fields that we selected are. But for our purposes today, we're going to go straight to downloading that data. So we've only got the one batch of our dog form type here. We'll just click on that one, and then we'll choose to export it. Today we'll just copy it to a clipboard, but we could also download this information as a CSV or JSON file if we wanted to load it into another database or something. Now we can change the state of the batch so that it disappears from us if we want to, but we won't do that today. We'll just copy it. It's just sitting there still, so now we'll just take that data and paste it into a spreadsheet. So it was sitting in the clipboard. All I needed to do was paste it in. You can see here that it's got the batch name, the group name, and the name of the particular batch, status of the batch, and then the actual information that was read off the form. It's that easy. I hope you find Fimple useful. If you do, then, or you think you might for your forms, then use the free trial. Make sure that it fits for you. And if you have any questions, then please, there's a Ask Us a Question button at the top of the pages. Just use that and we'll get straight back to you. Thanks for your time.